Guys, it's your boy Redland again. So on today's video, I just want to show you guys on how to use one app. As a beginner forex trader, we need some app how to calculate our position lot size before going to the market. So here is my phone interview. So just the name of the app is FX calculator. You can quickly download the app on Play Store. Just type FX calculator, it will show you, and download the app on your mobile phone before going to the market. So I will just show you, I will just show you the step by step on how to calculate the risk right now. So I will just click the right now. So you just go to number 5. You count it 1 2 3 4 5. So you just click the position size. So it's show me another this thing here. There are another interviews. So my account currency, it can be in US, USD, US dollar. So I'll just pick it. So the trade I want to pay, let's assume I want to trade GBP USD right now. I will just pick GBP USD. So my account size, assuming I have $100 account, I will just say $100 account size. So amount at risk, the amount you're willing to risk on that $100. So as me now, let me say I want to risk $20. Okay, let me say I want to risk $20 on the account. So my stop loss, I say okay, let me see, my stop loss will be 20 bips. So as I'm typing everything, you can see the result right here. So risk ratio, which is 20%. So the position size is 10,000, and my standard lot is going to be 0.1. Mini lots is going to be 1 lot size, and macro lot size is going to be 10 lot size. So here is my bip follow, $1. So this app is really very good. Get something on the video, so quickly go and smash up the subscribe button and give me a like button also, so you will be getting notified on my new video. Thank you for watching, guys. So I will keep on giving you more updates about freelancing and about forex. So thank you, guys.